Ever dreamed of taking your neon sign on a global adventure? Perhaps you're planning a move, or maybe a temporary trip. But hold on, can you really use your neon sign overseas? Let's dive into the electrifying details. Neon signs, with their vibrant glow and unique character, have become a popular choice for businesses and homes alike. They're not just functional, they're a statement. But when it comes to international travel, there are a few things to consider. Voltage and frequency. The global standard, most countries in the world use a standard voltage of 220 to 240 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz. This differs from the US standard of 110 to 120 volts and 60 Hz. Transformer trouble. Your neon sign, likely designed for US voltage, won't work directly overseas without a voltage converter. This device steps down the higher voltage to a suitable level for your sign. Power adapters. Even with a voltage converter, you'll need a power adapter. This little device allows you to plug your converter into a foreign outlet. It's essential to choose an adapter that's compatible with the country you're visiting. Local regulations. Import restrictions. Some countries have strict regulations on importing electrical goods. You might need to declare your neon sign at customs and potentially pay import duties. Safety standards. Ensure your neon sign complies with local safety standards. This might involve additional certifications or modifications. Practical considerations. Fragility. Neon signs are delicate. Shipping them internationally can be risky, and they might not survive the journey. Installation. Installing a neon sign in a foreign country can be challenging. You might need to hire a local electrician who understands the intricacies of neon signs. Maintenance. Accessing spare parts and finding a qualified technician to repair your neon sign overseas can be difficult. The verdict. While it's technically possible to use a neon sign overseas, it's not without its challenges. The combination of voltage differences, import regulations, and practical considerations makes it a complex endeavor. If you're planning a short trip, it might be simpler to leave your neon sign at home. However, for longer-term stays or permanent relocation, careful planning and preparation are key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.